It's been 5 years. 5 wonderful years. I can't believe it. It dead. It dead. Right in the middle of the hardest game ever. The UPS. What am I gonna do? I don't think I can ever find something as good as this. Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Technicational. My name is Peyton Wilmot, and today we're going to be taking things a little bit different. Today we're in search for a reputable, reliable, strong UPS. You know, you might think this is a joke, but the UPS that you see dead after 5 years, it actually made my entertainment system stay alive very long. We're in Jamaica where JPS really do some really incredible stuff that they don't get sued for. I don't know how. But if you don't have a really good UPS in your house or a really good surge protector, you'll be buying new TVs, new game systems, new audio systems, new everything in your house because you don't have any good protection. So before we go any further in this video, I have to say this video is actually sponsored by Schneider Electric. They're the parent company for APC that provides so much awesome UPS backup batteries and backup systems for your computer needs. And they also provide a lot of other services and equipments and products that you can actually access in Jamaica. And they also have a website that you can go to that is Jamaican based. And the fact that they're Jamaican based just gives you more reassurance that if something goes wrong, you don't have to be calling overseas and dealing with a representative that don't even understand your Jamaican patois. Yeah. So we're in the search for a good UPS because the longer my system at home stays without a UPS is the more worried I get because I have some really expensive equipments that I don't want to see smoking. So let's head back to the meat of the matter. I had a APC Back-UPS 850. This UPS actually came with 9 plugs, all of them surge protected, but only 6 of them actually was on backup battery. You also get 2 USB ports to plug your phone or any device you want to charge. It was pretty convenient. But now it needs a replacement battery, but I don't think I'm going to go that route. I think I've outgrown the capacity of this UPS. So I'm going to search online for a better one. So yes, there are a lot of brands out there for UPS, but I am sticking with APC because they're one of the few companies, even before this sponsored video, I actually respect and I actually rely on. So the last APC UPS I had, 5 years, no problem. And I think I need that reliability if I'm going to put it up against JPS and them foolishness. So given that fact, you know where I went. I went directly to the webpage for Schneider APC that's actually based in Jamaica, and I start searching. I actually saw that the 850 UPS that I had was just discontinued. So yeah, it kind of old. So I actually looked for something that is more up to date and something that has a little more battery power. And I start searching. I found some, but I realized that, you know what? Go big or go home. I need something with the word pro at the end. Just like everything else in 2021, once there's pro at the end, it's much, much better. And guess what, folks? I actually found it. The mother of all UPS that you can actually buy and place in your house or office. It is the BR1500 Pro. This thing had a spec sheet so long that I couldn't read everything that was on the site. It has master control plugs, it has a really large capacity battery, and it has an LCD screen. I mean, this is the best you can get for your house or office. So fast forward a couple days and here we have the APC BR1500 Pro. This is the UPS that I was drooling over on the website. Yes, there's an outlet here that you can actually go and pick up APC products, APC batteries, replacement batteries. It's in halfway tree and the name is AccuPower. We'll talk about that in a different video, but right now we're going to unbox this mother of backup UPS. So first and foremost, the BR1500 Pro is not a light UPS. It almost broke my back just carrying it up the stairs. So firstly, what do you get in the box? Well, first thing you will see is you have a lot of booklets. You get a USB to phone adapter cable. Okay, that's a first. You also get a coaxial cable. I wonder what that one's for as well. Definitely go and test out these. And you get a DVD to install on your PC to access the features that you need for the PC and the UPS. Okay, so after struggling to get the UPS out the box, this UPS is heavy. Give me a sec. Okay, so turning around this UPS, you will see a LCD display, 3 buttons, one for mute, one for power, and one to access the menus. And that's pretty much it. So at the back of this UPS, you have a serial USB port that looks like a phone cable port. You have Ethernet in, Ethernet out, coaxial in, coaxial out. You have a port to add a external battery pack. Wow. You also have master control plugs, surge protected plugs, and battery operated plugs. Yeah, this is, and there are a total of 10 plugs right here. So if you turn the UPS on its side, you can actually get access to the battery bay that's below the UPS. And taking out this battery shows just the sheer amount of battery capacity you're working with. This battery is huge and it's all written up so you can connect it properly to get your UPS running. I can already tell you that I like the fact that these buttons actually are backlit and the LCD display is backlit as well. So there you have it, guys, the full unboxing of the APC BR1500 Pro, the UPS of gods. Now, by the time you're seeing this unboxing video, I'll be using this for 2 weeks and actually working on a review for you guys to see pretty soon. So look out for that review because it's going to be something very special. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for commenting on my last video. And please tell your friends about the channel. It really does help. If you like the review and like my content, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Also want to give a big shout out to the crew that was there for me supporting the channel before me even reach 1,000 subscribers. You know yourself, Elo the One, Chris Forever, OK Jr., to name a few. Thank you guys for the support and continue to support the channel. Okay, folks, so until next time, you know the drill. Thank you for watching, and peace.
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when there's sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.